Welcome back. Third audition of Voice of Goa was held at Green Park on Friday. This is the 8th year of Voice of Goa singing competition. In all, 5 singers in Konkani category and 6 in English category won the semi-finals. The 4th and final audition will be held at Club Harmonia at Mangaon on 28th. Voice of Goa finals will be held on 10th and 11th November at Kesarwal Garden Retreat. Here are some excerpts of the third audition held at Mapsa.
I just want to tell you all the things you are and all the things you mean to me. When I find myself in need and there's no place to go, when I feel the loneliness inside my heart.
त्या काळार सूख आसोतोर तू करून ती रावताली जिविताची आस पडून आमकां ती मेवताली.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Somebody's gonna have to lose.
Umoja mira Meauta mon sanglo le gelia sukurara Ago wora zawon geli go bara Kui paulen Umoja mira.
And now news from sports. Churchill Brothers cruised to an easy 3-1 victory over Mumbai Football Club in the floodlit I-League match at Fatorda on Saturday. Churchill had taken a comfortable 2-goal lead in the first half itself. Mumbai tried to bounce back in the second half but could not manage to overtake their rivals.
The ball and just calm things down. That's exactly there what Beto did. And now all of a sudden they can look to come forward. And a nice little 1-2. Denzel Franco gets the cross in. His own net. Wry smile there from Mariano Dias. He'll be a happy man. Ravanan Damaraj. And now all of a sudden Franco once more. Ball played in field. Oh, and Tombas Singh, he's found himself in some space. Yusuf Yakubu, what a good run that is. So beautifully timed run from the Lebanese striker. Dane Pereira was jumping with him. He couldn't win the ball. And Maghrabi strikes. He's going to take the first corner of this second period. Left-footed towards the back post. It's in there and the shot comes in. It's hooked away. But if there was one way that Mumbai were going to get a goal, you fancied that was it, with Stephen making a nuisance of himself from a set piece at the back post. He did exactly that. No one tracked the run of Yusuf Yakubu. The tussle between himself and Subhash Chakraborty. And let's see if he does win the ball, Chakraborty. Well, it was touch and go, wasn't it? And he slots it home, cool as you like. The Brazilian on target, celebrates. Joy on the bench for Churchill Brothers.
Back after a gap of over 3 years, Doda Ganesh is a man with a mission as the coach of Goa. I want Goa to play Karnataka in Ranji. That is the target Ganesh has set for the season. With Karnataka placed in Group B and Goa in lowest division of Group C, Goa can play Karnataka only in the knockouts of the Ranji Trophy if they progress that far. But for Ganesh and his boys, the new format of Ranji Trophy is a big opportunity.
Goa find themselves in Group C when 9 teams from former played group are placed. Group A and B have 9 teams each with more or less equal strengths. This new format ensures more matches in the group stage. Top 3 teams from Group A and B along with top 2 teams from Group C will make it to the quarterfinals of Ranji Trophy. For Goan boys, this format means a lot of opportunities to shine in the premier domestic tournament of the country. Success in this tournament puts a player in the market for lucrative Indian Premier League. In his second spell as Goa's Ranji coach, Dodda Ganesh has some old faces or seasoned campaigners to work with. The former India and Karnataka bowler has produced fine results in his last stint as the state coach in 2008 when Goa made it to the semi-final of the Ranji Trophy plate group. Ganesh is fired up for the new challenge and believes that the sapling he had sown is ready to give fruits.
I want to play against Karnataka. That is my goal, and I want to show my ability plus my boys' ability. These all like my like brothers. We put coconut tree in 2006 only. The coconut is grown now. You will see it gives sweet water, and we want a good some sweet water. Same thing, we want to win this competition. We need that. We want to see that Ranji Trophy.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Farari from Parvari.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.